Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Virgos. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, guys. So let's start with these cards. Here we have 8 of fire, Empress, and 4 of earth. So with these cards in your situation, guys, in your circumstances today, I hope you can see the cards, guys. So in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, there are a lot of changes happening. Maybe you are seeing a change in the place of work, or maybe you are taking up a new job, or you are moving to a different city or a state for work. So some travel, it may be for a holiday even, guys. So some travel is happening, or it is it is nearing, guys. You are planning for a trip, maybe, or it may be a work related trip for some of you. And there are a lot of changes happening, Virgos, maybe in your work situation. You are making some changes, or maybe a change in your job, or in the change in your position. Maybe you are taking up, you are getting a promotion. So some positive transformation or changes are what I see for you, and you are feeling really happy, confident about the way things are going for you. So it may be some positive changes in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. And maybe you are feeling really inspired and confident, because the people you work with, they may be appreciating you and they are happy for you the way things are going. And maybe you are seeing greater opportunities for success, and your potential and your confidence is increasing because of that, and you feel really blessed and happy to be in this particular situation. And you are you are a truly inspiring person. You are helping people around you, and they see you as someone really inspiring. So it may be true even in this relationship. This person truly feels attracted to you, and the way you are brimming with confidence and cheerfulness, happiness. This person also feels really happy and confident to be with you, and you are building a meaningful relationship with this person. Maybe you were having some kind of inhibition, something was holding you back because you felt that you were not successful enough, or you were not good enough in your job or in whatever you do. But today you are just brimming with confidence, and that is just clearing all the blocks you had maybe in this relationship. You want to have that honest, meaningful, and a positive connection with this person, and you are trying to build this relationship on trust and truth. That is what is going to make this a very truthful relationship, guys. And you no longer have any fear to tell this person what you truly feel, guys. So you are really truthful with this person, and you are telling them maybe your secrets, and you want them to know everything about you, guys, Virgos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is King of Fire. Again, it stands for honesty you have in your heart. So in this relationship, you are just trying to be the best of yourself. So you want to be truthful, you want to be really, cheerful, and you are someone who is a greatest inspiration to the people and people you have in your life, guys. Maybe this person feels this way about you, and you are a really confident person, and you are someone truly respecting and caring with the people who are there with you. So a positive card here, guys. Maybe this relationship is meaningful, a positive connection, Virgos. So for your career situation, Virgos, we picked one card, and it is High Priestess. So again, with this card, looks like things are going really well. You know what will work and what is the right thing for you in your work situation. So, and you are seeing the truth. Maybe certain things were not clear. You would have had some doubts regarding something, but all that is clearing up today, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart, and that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today, maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.